Hi and welcome to my channel. As you know, I keep making money-making tips and suggestions videos for you. Today I am going to share about a company that is ready to pay you for your ideas or suggestions, so let us start. You might be wondering how? There are people who are looking out for great ideas or suggestions for naming their new company, brand, products, or even a slogan for their company brand building, and they are ready to pay a good price for this. The company which we are going to see is PickyDomains.com. Founded in 2007, the world's first risk-free naming service. With 4,000 plus clients, and are still the world's most popular naming service. The site has two platforms: the first, buyers looking for this type of service; second, contributors who are willing to offer this type of service. What makes the site more unique apart from the risk-free model is the buyers get suggestions literally within minutes of their order is launched. Second, the contributor ranking system, which lets to choose if he or she wants to get hundreds of ideas from as many as contributors as possible. The site has a huge community of contributors from over 160 countries, giving you access to linguistic nuances that nobody else can offer. For names, Picky Domains offers an easy way to earn extra money by doing what you've always loved, creating new names and quirky ideas. Unlike other naming services, where only the person who made the winning suggestion is paid, Picky Domains also pays a bonus commission to each contributor whose suggestions they liked, even their ideas were not chosen at the end. Make money with Picky Domains. If you have those talents for creating great, unusual, and memorable slogans, domains, or slogans, this is an opportunity to turn your talents into cash. To get started, you need to have a PayPal account to get paid for your work. How to get started? To get started, it's simple. Register as a contributor and it's completely free. Select orders you want to work on and submit suggestions. If your name, domain, or slogan is picked, you'll get 40 to 60% of the order value. Average is around $25 to $75 depending on your rank and order type. And if none of your suggestions are picked, you'll still get paid, up to 25 cents, for each suggestion that was liked by a client, even if it was not chosen. Where to start from? Start by making 5 suggestions to 20 different orders each, 100 suggestions total. Within 24 hours you'll get feedback on some of the orders. Work on those where you got 1 or more likes. If your rank rose from 5 to 4 or 3, you are on the right track. If you've submitted several hundred suggestions, but got no likes or picks, then you need to analyze where you are going wrong, and start working on it, but don't lose hope, keep trying. After becoming a contributor, if the client steals your suggestions, the system tracks all your suggestions each contributor makes. At any time you can click My Suggestions and see if any of your domains have been registered. We had only around 10 or 11 instances of theft out of 1,500 plus orders. So it's a non-issue. Most people really do need a cool domain, and $50 isn't a huge sum worth risking a lawsuit for. What is prohibited for contributors doing so? Contributors are not allowed to use any suggestion software or services, like Nameboy, expire domain lists, etc. Many times when a client claims that a name is stolen, sometimes it will be entered as a stolen domain, and sure enough, it's on expired domain list, which means thousands of cyber squatters have access to it. Getting paid for likes. You'll now get paid for likes even if none of your suggestions were picked, 15 cents to 38 cents per each like. For active orders, you can see the total amount owed by Picky Domains and My Transactions. Also, from this point on, you'll have to ask for your commission to be transferred to your PayPal account. Before that, we transferred money to your PayPal automatically. Free advertisement for your website on PickyDomains.com. If you'd like to have access to our audience of almost 1,300 clients and 45,000 contributors, we are happy to share. In exchange, we'd like to have access to your audience. For more details, check their link https://www.pickydomains.com/node/1834.